Willows are weak, yet they bind other wood. Now, you're entitled to think and philosophize the meaning of this concept. What you need to be flexibility as for you to manage your activities. It goes without saying there, it is, in a sense, beautiful for you to continue keeping your idea. You need your idea deriving from the core of your existence. I'd like you to continue experiencing so. You have your original ideas. I'd like you to keep them. Based upon those ideas, what you need is flexibility. You are required to be flexible for you to manage any of activities. Because if you are opinionated, if you are not flexible, you cannot manage those activities smoothly. Now you have two things for you to think of. The one is I'd like to continue having your original ideas. In other words, I'd like you to have your identity. It is very important for you to have cognition of your existence as one of human beings. On the other hand, you need to be ready to do any of the things necessary for you to manage activities well. To be elastic is necessary for you to be reasonable all the time here in the society. Elasticity is the one I'd like you to continue keeping yourself inside. Willows are weak, yet they bind other wood. The lecture shall be finished now.